Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the PeachGoods LED portable mini humidifier with adjustable cool mist USB charging for desk, plants, office, car, baby, travel, 7 color lights, 300 milliliters water tank with auto shut off. It's black gray. And it costs $20 on Amazon, and yeah. So before I get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below so that you can get my newest videos. Here's the exterior of the box. And yeah, so the more subscribers I have, the better. So please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. Here we go. Here's a little tampon, and instructions are in Chinese. So yeah, I should stop buying things made in China because all of them are crap. So this is it. This is the humidifier, and this is the USB. Let's get the autofocus working. This is a USB, and this is the button. This is made in plastic. So you put the little tampon in here. Oh, this is an extra tampon. So we already have a tampon in there. Oh, cool. So you're gonna fill it with water. And yeah, let's go fill it with water. So I filled it up with water, and I am going to see how it works. I'm going to plug the USB. And there you go. There's a little button there. That will turn on the lights. This is a white light. This is the LED colored light. That's cool. It's cool. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you, and hit the notification bar. Bye.